Okay, today I discovered a new hole made by the rabbits. I think one of my rabbits is pregnant and is about to give birth. That's why she is preparing for their nest. So how did I discover it? I just feel that this area here is soft. So I take a look, and then I discovered that it is actually hollow, and I carefully dig it, but there are still no kids yet, but I think the mother will give birth soon. So what I'm going to do is put a piece of plywood above it, so that the mother will not notice that it is being disrupted. So I will just put a soil over it and make sure that the mother rabbits will not notice that I dig the hole that she made. And then after a few days I will check it if she already gave birth. But it is rest assured that the mother will give birth, because this is a new hole that she made recently. Okay, so this is the strategy or technique that I do whenever I discover a new hole. So I will make sure that the mother rabbit will not notice the difference. Okay, there it is, and I think it is good now. So I think she made her entrance here because the part here is too soft. So this is the entrance, and she is making hole here yesterday. Okay, once done, all we have to do is to wait and check it regularly every day if the mother already gave birth. I will update you as soon as possible. Okay, so how do we supposed to know that the rabbit already dug their burrows or holes under the ground? Okay, so aside from the soft spot that you will notice in the part where they dug their holes, okay, so you will notice that beside it there is an elevated part here wherein they get the soil from the underground and then they pile it here. So you will notice here that it is not leveled. Okay, there's a slight elevation here because the soil underground, they put it here and then they pile it. Okay, so with that we already know that the rabbit already get the soil from the underground, therefore the rabbit is already digging underground. Okay, so that's the way on how you will determine if the rabbit already made their burrows underground.